Russian fiber-optic drones carried out a precise operation on a building where 2 Ukrainian soldiers were present. In the video, the Russian NRTK courier demonstrates its capabilities in Guliapol, Zaporizhia direction, performing essential mining operations as well as demining and clearing debris from roads. The ground robotic platform efficiently removes mines from snow-covered routes, showcasing its precision and reliability. Beyond combat tasks, the NRTK courier also delivers supplies, proving to be a versatile and highly valuable asset in maintaining safe and operational pathways for Russian forces. Russian UGV Depesha is shown with experimental protection designed to reduce FPV drone impact. In this video, the UGV is equipped with rotating wire frames on all sides and moves in a circular pattern. Even if an FPV drone approaches, it is unlikely to cause major damage. This is a new technique introduced by Russian soldiers. Drones have become one of the most serious challenges in the Russia-Ukraine conflict today, and this setup demonstrates a new method being used to improve survivability against FPV drone activity. The protection system highlights how Russian forces are adapting on the battlefield to reduce drone-related risks. In this video, a Ukrainian flying object is intercepted mid-air. At the same time, a Ukrainian jet passes very close to the event and narrowly avoids it. The incident happens in the air, and excited voices can be heard in the background. The jet clears the area just in time, avoiding what could have become a serious situation. In the video, Ukrainian soldiers are seen cautiously moving toward the center of the Chuganovka settlement, believing they are staying alert, while Russian North Group surveillance drones are already monitoring their movement from above. As they move forward, one Ukrainian serviceman walking along a wooden wall is approached first. Moments later, fiber-optic FPV drone operators carry out another operation involving the remaining 4 soldiers, bringing the entire movement to a sudden stop. In the video, Myron's company reconnaissance drones repeatedly release devices into a Ukrainian bunker in the Seversk direction, where Ukrainian personnel are taking shelter. The FPV drone circles back multiple times, carrying out accurate aerial drops until the bunker becomes heavily affected and nearly unusable. After continued drone activity, Russian personnel move closer to the position and place heavy equipment inside the bunker before quickly moving away. Moments later, the structure collapses completely, marking the end of the fortified position after coordinated aerial and ground operations. In the GoPro footage, Russian soldiers from the Ruks unit carry out an operation inside a damaged building in the village of Krasnogorovka, where Ukrainian personnel had been using the structure as a temporary position. Acting on information confirming their presence, the Russian group moves in quickly, leaving little time for response. The operation begins with smoke devices released into the building, followed by close-range movement as the team advances inside. Once visibility improves, Russian forces move through the area and secure the position. Several Ukrainian personnel are taken into custody, bringing the urban clearance operation to a conclusion. GoPro footage, Russian sniper group Graze. During movement, the team encountered an FPV drone hovering above, which was successfully neutralized using small arms fire. In this video, a group of Ukrainian soldiers is traveling by vehicle in the Zaporizhia region, moving toward an operation. Unaware of it, Russian drones are monitoring their movement from above. As a result of continuous operations by Russian reconnaissance UAVs, the movements of Ukrainian personnel were under constant observation. 2 Ukrainian soldiers cross a small wooden wall, appearing visibly tired from their movements under ongoing surveillance. FPV drone operators continuously received precise coordinates, allowing them to carry out accurate operations on designated targets. Share your thoughts about the video in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like to get more updates. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone operator focused on a Ukrainian soldier taking cover under a water tank. However, the drone's device did not activate. At first, the Ukrainian soldier could hardly believe how he avoided the impact, but fortunately, luck was on his side, and he quickly got up and moved to a safer location. A compilation of FPV drone operations by the Rubicon Advanced Unmanned Technology Center in Donbass from October 22, 2025. From hidden launch positions behind the Frontline, high-speed fiber-optic drones ascended rapidly into the sky, carrying out coordinated operations on supply columns, fortified positions, and armored vehicles. Smoke and debris filled the areas, and each operation highlighted the growing capabilities and precision of the unit. The silence following each operation emphasized the significance of its results. A Russian fiber-optic drone engaged a Ukrainian Tu-36 Gyatsin B howitzer in the Kharkiv direction. A Russian fiber-optic drone approaches an abandoned Ukrainian M113 APC. Russian drone units observed Ukrainian personnel taking cover inside small concrete shelters. In this footage, a Russian FPV drone moves toward a Ukrainian soldier inside a small concrete structure. The soldier has very limited space to move or relocate. Russian North Group drone operators monitor Ukrainian personnel maintaining barbed wire defenses across an open field. In this video, Russian drones follow Ukrainian soldiers one by one while they remain in an exposed area with little cover. There is constant drone presence, and the soldiers are seen in the field without proper protection. It remains unclear what they were doing out in the open under such risky conditions. Russian soldiers on the Kupiansk front used an anti-tank device near a dugout. In this footage, 2 Russian soldiers placed the device near a Ukrainian bunker, where Ukrainian personnel are present inside. The enemy infantry opened fire on the FPV drone from very close range, but missed. As a result, the drone fell right at the soldier's feet. This Russian soldier be like, "What was that noise behind me?" A Russian soldier exits a building, and just as he steps out, a strong impact occurs inside. Surprisingly, the soldier does not turn back to look. One of the infantry personnel whose vehicles were disabled attempted to interfere with the FPV drone waiting on the side of the road but was unsuccessful. The operator lifted the drone and observed the personnel. In this video, a Russian drone is tracking a Ukrainian pickup. A soldier sitting at the back of the pickup notices the drone and jumps off, moving to safety. However, another soldier remaining inside the vehicle is caught off guard, as the drone approaches and makes contact with the pickup. Russian FPV drones approach a Ukrainian soldier at a hideout in Sukhedil, Sumy region. Remarkably, the Ukrainian soldier moves away after the first impact and manages to exit the damaged house into another building. However, during the second operation, there is no further escape. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone waits on a rooftop and monitors a UAF serviceman moving through a built-up area. The drone observes the individual from above as he walks through the developed zone. In this video, a Russian FPV drone moves toward a Ukrainian vehicle. After noticing the drone, the Ukrainian soldier inside speeds up and continues driving quickly. The vehicle takes one turn, then another, but the drone maintains steady tracking and keeps following. With drone speeds reaching around 100 to 150 km per hour, getting away becomes extremely difficult. The vehicle keeps moving forward while the drone stays close behind. Broken buildings can be seen all around, making it appear that the city has suffered heavy damage, with destruction visible everywhere. The drone continues following the vehicle for quite some time. Eventually, contact is made. Then a second drone arrives and continues the operation, followed by a third drone. In the end, the vehicle is left heavily damaged on the road, and smoke begins rising from it. In this video, a Russian drone records from above as the NRTK courier ground robotic platform arrives near the roadside where Russian soldiers are waiting. One injured serviceman is unable to walk. He is carefully placed onto the NRTK courier, which then moves away, transporting him from the area to a safer location. The footage shows how robotic platforms are now being used to assist with evacuation and emergency support missions. In this video, a Russian fiber optics FPV drone operator monitors a Latin American mercenary serving with the Ukrainian forces. A Russian soldier first launched a rocket from a handheld launcher toward a Ukrainian position, aiming to create confusion and prompt a response. The move appeared intended to distract and unsettle Ukrainian forces before any further action took place. After firing the handheld launcher, the Russian soldier advanced toward the Ukrainian position while continuing to operate his weapon. As he closed the distance, he then deployed a TM anti-tank mine toward the Ukrainian defenses, intensifying the engagement and increasing pressure on the position. After deploying the TM anti-tank mine, the Russian soldiers quickly withdrew to a safe distance. Moments later, a strong explosion occurred as the device detonated. A Russian drone targeted a Ukrainian robotic vehicle while it was moving toward its mission objective. Russian drone operators near Konstantinovka monitored 3 Ukrainian vehicles one by one, successfully rendering each inoperable, with none of the vehicles able to evade the operation.